Thank you so much for watching my video. In this channel, we talk about spiritual stuff, okay? We talk about voodoo, we talk about the Bible, we talk about dreams, we talk about affirmation. And in today's video, we are going to talk about a loi in Haitian Vodou, Filomiz, who is the second most popular goddess of love and beauty and jewelries after Ezili Freda. And before we go further into the video, I would like to thank all of my subscribers, okay? And please leave a comment down below and please share the videos for more popularity. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? If you want to support me, if you like what I'm doing, if you like my content, if you like spiritual stuff, so please hit that subscribe button and click on the notification button so that YouTube may notify you whenever I upload a new video. Now, Filomiz, she is a goddess of prosperity, okay? If you hear prosperity, you hear money. She blesses her servants and she makes them very, very lucky by removing, bad energy, She is part of the Rada division of loi in Haitian Vodou, okay? Those loi in the Rada division, they are very soft, they are very patient, and they are very known to make people wealthy, okay? They are patient with you so that when you're wealthy, okay, it's gonna last, okay? It's not like you're wealthy today and tomorrow you're broke again. Good things take time. She is kind of rare, okay? She doesn't often possess people. However, she's considered to be the second most popular, goddess of love, of beauty, of jewelries, after Ezili Freda. She's very gentle, very friendly with women mainly. But men can marry her also. It's a common practice. Remember I said before, most people who marry Ezili Freda, they also marry Ezili Dantor. It's the same for Filomiz, okay? So if you marry Filomiz, most of the time you're going to marry Ezili Freda because they work together. So some people will serve both, some people will serve one, your choice. But it's best to serve both. They are both goddesses of beauty, goddesses of love, and they are water spirits. So they look alike, okay? Some people think they are sisters. They even say like Filomiz, she's the younger sister of Ezili Freda. But it's not a widely accepted thing among the Voodoo. They both look alike a lot. That's why, they say they are sisters. Filomiz's colors are blue, white, and she loves flowers a lot like Ezili Freda does. She is mainly served in the north side of Haiti, okay, in the Limonade River, which is in the Cap Haitian city. A lot of people go to that river, to take luck bath in the name of Filomiz with leaves, removing bad energy and to attract, wealth. Mainly on September 7th, which is, her celebration date. In some places, when she comes into procession, she walks on her knees and they present a bucket of flour to her and she will take, those flowers and scatter them around. Or you might see her with a broom, sweeping the ground, cleansing the ground, removing guillon, which is, bad energy. She is known to reveal knowledge into people's dreams, okay? Remember, I told you in the dream video that I did, some people do lucid dreaming so that they can contact spirits, and those spirits may teach them things, okay, and pass them some knowledge, because there are a lot of things that cannot be taught in this reality, okay? You have to go and learn them in your dreams. Her male counterpart is Jean Laurent, whose favorite color is yellow. Her escort will be Mademoiselle Ovana, Grenadelaide, Gansilibo, Claire Mézine, Ezili Freda, Grenalouba, Mouche Pierre, Dereal, and so on. And I will make separate videos for each of those lois because they are very interesting. Her day of the week will be Friday, and for some people it's Thursday. So people will serve the loi depending on the reglement of the house. Reglement would be, the way you saw your grandparents serve the lois. That's how you serve them, okay? It might be different from everybody else, but if that's how you saw they serve the lois, that's how you're gonna serve them too. Her offerings will be Florida, a nice perfume, Viennet, champagne, rice, flowers, golden jewelries, and blue candles. In the 21 division, which is, the Dominican Voodoo, they call her Maîtresse Filomiz. And some Voodooism who are also Catholic, they will use the image of Saint Philomena for Filomiz. In the slavery time, the slaves, they were not supposed to have their own religion, to have their own beliefs. So they use, those images, as a representation for the laws. Now, if you watch this video this far, thank you so much, and I will ask you, please subscribe to my channel, share the videos, like the video, leave a comment, share the video to your Facebook page, to your WhatsApp group, everywhere. And please click on the notification button so that YouTube may notify you whenever I upload a new video. Take care of yourself and see you in another video.